Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Mali. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we should check that do we really need a visa? Just based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on the other visas that we have, we may or may not need a visa. And once you check this, in order to go through the process, you should always check the official entity of the country that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional documents, steps, even fee. For example, you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened this embassy of Mali in New Delhi. They have a section for visa. So I'm going to click on this English area. So they have changed the process that from March 11, it's now digital. You need to submit online. So we'll go through that. What are the things you need? You have to create user account, fill the online form, upload documents, appointment scheduling if required, okay, payment, and then if everything goes smooth, visa issuance, okay. Edit passport copy, recent passport size photograph, invitation or hotel reservation, or round trip ticket, vaccination card, other documents, okay, that depending upon the visa point. Processing time 5 to 10 days, okay, except urgent cases, but in some cases it may take longer too. So let's go through this. It's coming in French. Let me see if I can change it to English. There should be a way. All right. So let's say we are going there for tourism. So I click on this. You need to first select your nationality. So I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Country of residence. Place of the embassy. Again, I translate. If you already have a file code, please enter it and continue to continue. So if you have, I mean, if you had an incomplete application, that means you have a file code, but we don't have, right? So let's go for to generate. Okay, they have given the conditions. Yeah, you should read and understand, of course. Per name. So it's in English also, so there's nothing to worry. And anyway, we have the power of Google Translation. So of course, I won't be submitting the application. Date and place of birth. So like these details that you enter here, make sure they match with your passport. Because you don't wanna do something fancy. I mean, if you do not verify the details and then later on it if it comes like hard on you, so better not to get into that. Country and city of birth, so like that. Nationality at birth, Cheddar. It's gonna be either this or this if you're single. So I think it's silly, but can I copy this? I'm using Google Translator. Yeah, I was correct. But yeah, if you're married or divorced, others, I mean, select accordingly. National identity number, whatever it is for you, just do it. Present address. Phone number, you need to select the ISD code. Mail. Provide proper email address, not something like this, because your communication is going to go through that. Type of passport. Present occupation. Passing for this authorize. Sorry guys, I need to do some research. Others. Oh, I'll just put following. Oh, precision previous screen. Okay. So I'll go for so event. Next screen. Information about employer. Okay. Of course, you know the details of your employer, address, phone number. Enter authority for minor. So I did not do. Information about the person organizing, person or organization. So let me see if I can bypass this part. Okay. So what you can do, you can put hotel details. Okay. So if I do organization, person, contact details in organization. If you book hotel, you'll have hotel like person detail. I mean hotel contact details that you can use. Yeah. Passport, passport number, date of issue, expiry, Issuing authority, check your passport. Return address of previous stay, so this is not mandatory. Previous visa application, but you should enter the details. Fingerprint previously collected. Accept that no. Visa type of delivery, normal, express. If you select express, like it could be more fee. Number of entries, I select one. No, this is for Dukes, is for 2, 1. My French is improving. Reason for journey, tourism. Additional information, so whatever has it is, provide that. Destination, provide that. Effective date of entry. So when you select this, make sure the processing time, how you're gonna entry. So if you're going by airline, this is expected exit date. Destination after leaving Mali. Let's say you're coming back to India. This is probably for an interview, but I'll confirm. Let me see if I can translate from here. Yeah, appointment or for an appointment. Okay. Oh, now it's time to submit. But of course, I'm not gonna submit this. But yes, you got the process. Next, it will ask you to upload the documents that are required, and of course, to pay the visa fee. But definitely, like, I'm not gonna do that. But you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.